Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses. And this is Anointing from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Anointing, the act of consecrating any person or thing by the pouring on of oil. The ceremony of anointing was emblematical of a peculiar sanctification to a holy and sacred use. As such, it was practiced by both the Egyptians and the Jews, and many representations are to be seen among the former of the practice of this holy rite. Wilkinson informs us that with the Egyptians, the investiture to any sacred office was conferred by this external sign, and that priests and kings at the time of their consecration were, after they had been attired in their full robes, anointed by the pouring of oil upon the head. The Jewish scriptures mention several instances in which unction was administered, as in the consecration of Aaron as the high priest, and of Saul and David, of Solomon and Joash as kings. The process of anointing Aaron is fully described in Exodus 29:7. After he had been clothed in all his robes, with the mitre and crown upon his head, it is said, "Then shalt thou take the anointing oil and pour it upon his head and anoint him." The ceremony is still used in some of the high degrees of Masonry and is always recognized as a symbol of sanctification or the designation of the person so anointed to a sacred use, or to the performance of a peculiar function. Hence, it forms an important part of the ceremony of installation of a high priest in the order of high priesthood as practiced in America. As to the form in which the anointing oil was poured, Buxtorf quotes the rabbinical tradition that in the anointment of kings the oil was poured on the head in the form of a crown, that is, in a circle around the head, while in the anointment of the priest it was poured in the form of a Greek letter X, that is, on the top of the head in the same shape of St. Andrew's cross. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.